anyone had told me that I would be putting clay in my hair as an adult, I would have laughed. And after going through the valley of the shadow of death, the dramatic thing to do would be to chop off all my hair. That would be betrayal. So I decided to detox my hair instead, and I'll be taking you through the process in this video. Hi everyone, I'll be using bentonite clay to detox my hair. For those who don't know, bentonite clay is derived from volcano ash. I wonder what those who discovered it were looking for. It contains negatively charged ions that can draw out metals and impurities, which makes it a great agent for detoxifying, clarifying, and cleansing your hair. This will be my first time trying it on my hair, and I'm going to tell you guys my review at the end of this video. Preparing this mask is very easy. All you need is some clay, which can be gotten from any store nearby or online. I can't remember exactly where I got mine because it's been a while, over a year now. So you need about half to 1 cup of clay. The bentonite clay is what I'm talking about. Don't go outside and pack clay from your backyard. Add some water to the bentonite clay and mix it into a paste. The consistency of this paste should be like that of Greek yogurt. You can also add apple cider vinegar and maybe some oil like coconut oil, olive oil, or argan oil for better cleansing and clarifying and shining properties. It is important to note that bentonite clay must not come in contact with anything containing metal. This is because metal can react with the clay, reducing its detoxifying properties and making it less effective. So whatever you do, do not use a metal container or utensil to mix bentonite clay. You can use a material made of glass, ceramic, or plastic, but do not use metal with bentonite clay. Our mask is ready for use now, and I'll be applying this on my hair. You can see the consistency. Ensure to part your hair into sections that you have already detangled before you start applying it on your hair. Also spray some water on your hair so that it can be damp enough for the clay mask to be better absorbed. Like I've mentioned before, bentonite clay is great for detoxing, clarifying, and cleansing your hair and scalp. So if you are prone to having build up, especially for those with low porosity hair, bentonite clay is one ingredient that can become a staple in your hair care routine. It also helps with dandruff, dry scalp, flaking, and is said to have antifungal properties. When mixed with apple cider vinegar, it will not only clarify your hair but also restore shine and moisture to your hair. It is great for curl definition, makes your hair softer, reduces breakage, and in the long term helps with length retention. After applying the mask all over your hair and scalp, leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. You could also use a plastic wrap or sit under a dryer for better absorption. When using a bentonite clay mask, you do not need to use a shampoo or conditioner because it already does the job. Isn't that awesome?
A few moments later.
So I have rinsed out my hair now and look at that hair. Look at those curls. Curls are popping, hair is shining. In fact, one word for the way my hair feels now is fluffy. My hair is soft, it's lighter, everything check, check, check. And the best part of it is that I didn't have to do too much. Like, it's just the clay that I used and rinsed out. I didn't have to deep condition or condition my hair. This is my hair now without any products added. Like, I'm really feeling it, guys. So if you have used bentonite clay before, let me know what was your experience like. And if you have not, would you be trying it now? If you're someone who deals with a lot of products build up, maybe you sweat a lot, you go to the gym, or you use a lot of products on your hair, I think it would be good to add bentonite clay mask to your hair care routine. If you know me well, you know that when I find something good, when I like something, I can go on and on and on. For me, bentonite clay mask has won my heart. The only downside so far is that it can be quite messy when you're preparing it or using it on your hair. Otherwise, this is something every natural hair girly should get into. I was feeling my hair so much that I did a wash and go and took a selfie. That will be all for now. If you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.